Welcome to our video on chiropractic care for older adults. Today, we'll explore the benefits and techniques of chiropractic care specifically tailored for seniors. Chiropractic care can significantly improve mobility and quality of life for older adults. Dr. James Cox's book, The Geriatric Patient, A Chiropractic Approach, offers a comprehensive guide on this topic. Dr. Louis Sportelli's Chiropractic Care for the Elderly provides valuable insights into techniques and protocols for common geriatric conditions. These methods are designed to address the unique needs of seniors. Geriatric rehabilitation is another crucial aspect. Dr. Carol B. Lewis's Geriatric Rehabilitation, a Clinical Approach, integrates chiropractic care with other therapeutic approaches for holistic treatment. Spinal health is vital for older adults. Dr. James M. Cox's The Aging Spine, a Chiropractic Perspective, focuses on maintaining spinal health and mobility in seniors. For healthcare professionals, Dr. Catherine H. Wertz's Chiropractic Care for Older Adults serves as an essential guide. It covers techniques and protocols for common geriatric conditions. Podcasts like the Geriatric Chiropractic Podcast and the Senior Health Podcast offer ongoing discussions and updates on chiropractic care for older adults. These resources are invaluable for both practitioners and patients. Thank you for watching. For more information, check out the American Chiropractic Association and the Geriatric Chiropractic Association websites. Stay healthy and take care.